Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.